Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Today I want to explain about polynomials. Examples of some algebraic expressions. Here I am taking some examples for algebraic expressions are 3xy, x square plus 2x, x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 3, ax plus b, x square, x power half plus 3, 2x square minus 3 by x plus 5, x square plus xy plus y square. These are the examples of algebraic expressions. In these algebraic expressions, x, y, these alphabets x, x, x square, these are called variables. We are calling them as variables. And the number here, this is multiplying xy here. So these are called coefficient. Here xy coefficient is 3. Here nothing is there. We can write as 1 into x square is 1. We should not write 0 because 0 into x square is 0. So we have to write 1. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. Here 2. Here same 1. Here the coefficient is minus 1. We have to consider the negative value also. So like that you can, what is the product of the variable, that is called the coefficient here, number. Next, now take this one, x power half plus 3. X power half plus 3. This can be written as, this half can be written as root x plus 3. And if you go to another example, 2x square minus 3 by x plus 5. I am writing this as here 2x square minus 3 by x plus 5. This can be written as 2x square minus 3 into x power minus 1. This I am writing into numerator as negative value, bringing it from denominator to numerator value, that is x power minus 1 plus 5. In these two cases, it has root value. And here, the exponent is negative. So, the polynomials are the algebraic expressions which are not having negative exponents and roots to the variables. When you are taking these algebraic expressions, the variables, these xy are called variables, they should not have root terms and there should be no negative. If you write it as, it becomes x power minus 1. So these terms we have to strike off. See here, in this no root and no negative terms. So these remaining are called polynomials. So polynomials means there should be no root variable and there should be no negative exponent. So these are called the polynomials. Next, monomial. If the polynomial is only one term, that is called monomial. Next, binomial. If the polynomial contains two terms, this is first term and this is second term, this is called a binomial. In a polynomial, this is called variable and this is coefficient and this is called a constant term. So you cannot change this one. So it is a constant term. Next, trinomial. A polynomial having three terms. First, second term. That is 2x square plus 5x plus 1. This is first term, second term, third term. So it is called a trinomial. A polynomial having one term is called monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial. If it is having four terms, we call it as tetranomial. If it is five terms, pentanomial, six terms, hexanomial, seven terms, heptanomial, or 8 terms, octanomial, like that, so on. If they are having so many terms, we can call them as polynomial. Poly means many. We know the word, we heard the word polytechnic. What is the meaning of polytechnic? The poly means many technical courses. Poly means many technical courses. So in the same way, polynomials, many monomial terms. 3 is called the quotient of x and 5 is called the constant term here and x is a variable. Next, degree of a polynomial. Suppose for example if you take 7x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. Here this is one variable, this is another variable and this is another variable. What is the coefficient of this one? X. Coefficient is 1. Here 2. Here 3. So which is the highest? 3 is the highest exponent. So this is called the degree of the polynomial. Next, zero polynomial. If all the constant terms of a polynomial are 0, then it is known as zero polynomial. If all the constant terms are 0. Take above example 7x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. This is the variable, this is a constant term. You can't change this one. 7 means always 7. 5 means throughout the problem should be 5 only. 2, 6. So if these becomes 0, that is 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x minus 0. So you are making all the constant terms as 0. Then 0 into x cube is 0 plus 0 into x square is 0 plus 0 into x is 0 minus 0. So totally it is 0. So 0 polynomial is denoted by 0.